Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring an exciting new feature in Windows 11, the introduction of 3 and 4-point gestures for our touchpad. These gestures are designed to make your navigation smoother and more efficient, so let's dive in without further ado. Go to your Start menu, under Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices from your left menu, then look for Touchpad here, click here. So you are already aware of this cursor speed, taps and scroll and zoom, which is already there in our touchpad gestures and interactions. So now Windows 11 have updated 3-finger gestures and 4-finger gestures for making our work more productive and efficient. So like you can see, if you use your 3 fingers on your touchpad, you can move your finger upward to increase the volume like this, or downward to reduce the volume directly from your touchpad. You can also go back to your previous track, next track with simple gestures movement. Also from this menu, you can switch to switch apps and show desktops if you are working on multiple desktops. Like if I go and use my 3 fingers like this in upward direction, it will show all the open task window. If I scroll down like this, it will show now my desktop. So it is a very quick and efficient way of managing your multiple desktops. Similarly, you can use 4-point gestures here with the settings available here. Check this out. I think this is going to be really very helpful for all the professionals and students who are working day and night on the Windows application. So do check this out, new update. And the new update currently, I think this is KB 5050009. So do check this out if you have this update or not. If it is not, then kindly update your version 261002894 with this update by simply going to your settings under Windows Update and click on this check for updates to get your new update, which will bring this functionality to your touchpad. I hope you will find this video very helpful, and if you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe for more such updates and productivity tips. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.